Okay, let's do a few examples on tenth of a percent. So the directions are telling us write the fractions as decimals using a calculator, round them to 3 decimals, then write the decimals as percentages. So let's do a few examples. In our first example, let's say we have 6 over 7. I want to convert this to a decimal point, so in order to do that, I would do 6 divided by 7, and I would get 0.857. Make sure you have you want to round them to 3 decimal places, so this would be fine. So 0.857. Now I want to convert this to a percentage and find the tenth of this percent. I would divide by 10 since I'm looking for the tenth of the percent. So I would get 85.7% as my final answer. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say we have 4 over 9. I want to convert this to a decimal point, so 4 divided by 9 is 0.444, and I want to convert this to a tenth of a percent, so I divide it by 10, so I would get 44.4% as my final answer. And the next one we have is 17 over 23. So I basically want to convert this fraction to a decimal point, so what I would do is 17 divided by 23, which would give me 0.739. And to find the tenth of a percent of this, I would just divide by 10, which would give me 73.9% as my final answer. So that's my final answer right there. Okay, here we want to find the percentage of the given quantity. So let's say I have our first example, 9.2% of $150. So I want to convert this percentage to a decimal point, and what I would do is divide by 100 first, which would give me 0.092, and the of stands for times $150, and that would give me 13.80. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say we have 45.8% of 16 inches. So I want to convert this to a decimal point, so I'll divide by 100, and I would get 0.458. Of would be means times 16 inches, and I would get an answer of 7.328 inches. That's my final answer. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.